Holetown Festival another night, Saturday night tonight, for Soca Explosion, which is about to start in a few minutes. It is 3 minutes to 9 now. The program starts at 9 o'clock. You want to, yeah? So my good people, stay tuned for Soca Explosion, where a number of soca artists from Barbados will be performing here at the Holetown Police Station Complex and Public Library. The Public Library is and the Holetown Monument. The droplets of rain is coming down now.
Yeah, there's a bar up in there.
Yeah.
So Holetown Festival takes place every year around February to commemorate the landing of the English settlers that came to Barbados on the 27th of February 1627. They landed at Holetown in St. Louis. And every year around February we have, leading up to that time, we have festivities here in Holetown. So this is the third night of the festivities. So I will show you guys Soca Explosion shortly. So the program should be starting about now. People have started to gather already. Stores here, which was one for famous to the market. So this is Rubis gas station here, which was one Texaco gas station. You see the Holetown Monument here as well. Before the start of the program, I will show you guys a bit of the streets first.
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Holetown Festival for 2025. We're just about to end this road as we get access to just making sure that our 5 and 7 are happy. And then we're going to Francis Hill and once again for this Holetown Festival for 2025. Thank you all so much.
So this is all Holetown, St. James on the west coast of Barbados. Yeah. Alright. Bert, you like music today very loud? I want to hear the monitor see if anything don't think this and sure everything good. So everything right. Good night to everybody. I'll wait till you do that. Yeah. Alright, we good. Never up, Bert. Thank you. Good night to everybody. Where everybody so far down the back? Alright. Y'all want something? Y'all want to give away or something? Well, come forward then. Alright. When are you coming forward? I know when the things start, everybody will come forward and we can have a good time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Holetown Festival for 2025. And we're proud to put on this festival. It's been a very hard task doing it, but we have an amazing committee. They're behind them. I'm not going to call them out again, they don't like the stage, but I want to say many thanks to the committee who would have worked very hard, and they were here for the entire day today with our parades and back again. So just as a committee member myself, who was not here under the weather, I just want to say many thanks to them. Anybody celebrating a birthday in the month of February? Big up yourself on your birthday. Enough of them Calypsonians behind their born in February, boy. Like I gave you a story. He told you born in February? Oh, I do. You was part of the crew too. I ain't gonna mention that, but everything good. We're gonna have a time tonight, ladies and gentlemen. You're getting at least 12 to 13 Calypsonians tonight, absolutely free. Something that you will pay money for during crop over.
So big up the Holetown Festival once again. Fellas, let me feel it, man. Let me feel something behind the arm. You ready to start? You ready to go? This is Soca Explosion. This young lady is gonna kick it off for us tonight. Make some noise and welcome Faye!
About to start, we want to feel the energy. Ready, track? Let me have a good time. I am in that drink. Want to borrow a breaking ice. Yeah.
Soca, you know how we do this thing, hit that drum machine. We're not wasting no time at all because we're gonna bring the 2005 Road March Champion and Party Monarch. Don't care what you're doing, we're gonna have a good time. Welcome, Natalie!
Don't
cause you're proud of this island. No sweat and tears, man, it ending this nation. Straight and intelligence are part of my people. Oh, here we grow, oh, here we gonna stay. We own this fly out, not take a little holiday. Barbados Island of dreams, sweet from the hills of terraces to the housing schemes. Paradise is the only way to describe my land, but not the father's hand. Paradise Yeah, man. Are we looking good? Looking real nice. Anybody with a birthday like today? I have an ID card. People are telling enough lies. If you got a birthday that is like close to today, the 4th, well, the 15th, sorry, come forward, they got things for you. But you got an ID card though. You understand? Don't forget though, tomorrow guys, tomorrow we have a 5K walk and run, beginning at 3 and 3:30 respectively. But ain't what with the ID? So how are you supposed to know? You can tell me that your birthday is today. I need identification. If you don't have any, then I will find another way that I will give away these nice prizes here for sure. I could ask a question too, but I'd rather give it to somebody. So nobody, wait, let me look again. If you have an ID card and you're born in February, at least even then come forward. Alright, see, this is what I'm talking about. Let me look at this here. Right, this is a New York ID here, but this ain't your face. Where Julian is? Use Julian for true? You want to change? Alright, look, hold on. No, you hold on too. So Julian date of birth, Phyllis got date of birth 11 is November. You just trying anything? You trying anything, man? Yours is February 19th? But you see, looking at, look, DOB is date of birth. He might give me the wrong ID, you know? You might want his ID and give me the wrong ID, or there's a California ID. You hold on, you don't go worry, you got time, enough time. And looking for this date of birth, hold on. You can show me, I see it now, right, the 27th, alright. So, how long are you going to be in Barbados for? The 22nd, so before the 22nd, wait, hold on. This is yours. Sorry that it got wet, the rain this fall, but that is a mountain tour, so make sure that you go, that is a cocktail tour. This man will say second, so 1, 2, and 3, I got more things, come back. Alright, come back. Come up on the stage, Lord. I want you come up. You can come up here. Come on here, talk to you real quick. This is your first time in Barbados? It's a Beijing. You come home early because of Trump. You good. You good, man. Let me make it my school. But this here is comments of the, you know about the BTMA? You ever went to Food and Rum Festival? Ever heard about the Food and Rum Festival? You heard about it, but you know what's the BTMA? What the BTMA stands for? It's the Barbados Tourism Marketing Inc. They're responsible for tourism. They say, well, you know what this is? What does it look like to you? It's a barrel, like a rum barrel. You see rum in here? Right, guys, this is a lovely cocktail, not cocktail, sorry, wine opener. You got something that you bring it then open the champagne or the wine, the cork and everything, you understand? So it's real nice. So then you hold that, you can hold back the box. Yeah, you understand? And you good to go, just like that. Give it to the people. Where Julian is now, you got, where Julian the ID, you got a whole another woman ID, you. Now you girl. Now you go. I was like, wait, you mind give me this woman ID for everybody good though? Yeah. Anybody here from Barbados? Best country in the world, you understand? And we gonna push me people, we gonna push me on. Right, we good to go. Let me tell you something right now though. Soca music, Calypso music is our music. This next performer has been performing for the past 42. You understand? I said it was 30 something last year, they're trying to make you a little younger. But 42 years singing is not a little joke. Ladies and gentlemen, she was the first woman to do the double in terms of winning a party monitor and the sweet soca. Make some noise, baby, even before who the hell is Kim? What foolishness? Welcome TC!
a little cool. You all sounding like y'all just a little bit cold. So I want to see the hands of all the visitors to the island. All the visitors to the island, I want to see hands. Yeah, boy. I want to see the hands now, the ones who return home just for we gathering. I got one. Well, I'm very glad that you guys have made Barbados your home away from home, for those of you who are visiting us for about the 12th time. And I'm glad to see some Bajans coming home for we gathering. I like that. So, well, if the rain falls, well, it really don't matter. We program today for foolish behavior. You got to be fit and strong. Remember, we're going from dusk to dawn. Champion music to the very end. Mr. My sisters, this next jam is for you. So if you know it, sing it to me. Let me go. Hey, listen, young boy, you better. Look, you better recognize you. Last night you were waiting, but you whispering in my ear and calling me around there. What? Who the hell is here? What foolishness you talking? You better check yourself. You better and go on. Better call her to pick up you. So long, my friend. Wait now. So you know, our brothers, and I'm being nice, our brothers figured out they're real smart, you know. Men figured out they're real slick. You didn't hear? I was coming up with a baby name. It was my sister. I had something on my mind, all kind of thing. But you know what? One smart, get tricked at too smart. Lord. Yeah. My Bajan ladies, I want you to tell them again. One smart. All right then. So, if you horn me, again. What you do if you harm me? Again. Tell them again if you harm me. One more time if you harm me. One drop. You know I can't believe years. I just can't believe what I hear. All kind of names she calling me. You better ask someone. Think you could take me for a ride? Well, I'm putting all your things outside. And when you call, begging on the phone, what's the time, ladies? You know right? You know right? Just when I thought that you were right now, true love and leave me like no one else can. Just when I thought soon you would ask the question. He calling me Kim Simon. Sing it one more time for him. What? Rudy. Yes, gosh, that way. Yeah, cause I don't understand. So this next jam is especially for the visitors to our island. Whether you're a returning national come home for the gathering, or if you are genuinely like a first-time visitor to my beautiful island of Barbados, I want to say to you, welcome to paradise.
We live in that vacation. It's too much vibes to mention, Lord.
Big up to all my people in the island. This is the island season. Talk about pain, never welcome you to my paradise. I tell you this place exciting. Up in your best city fighting. Put down your worries and enjoy. Hey, get ready for the non-stop whining. Get out the best city lining. Make sure you put on the leg, come on. Somebody put the cool in the trunk. Hey, hey, it's half past one. We need to reach in the bedtime, get all the funny jamming, then no time to linger. Y'all go show your bumper. We party till the last thing, and don't be engaged straight to the jam because we ain't. Hey, I tell you this place exciting. Up in the best city fighting. Now put down your worries and enjoy. Hey, you ready for the non-stop riding? Get out the best city lining. Make sure you put on the leg, come on. After the fete in the morning, walk over, relax to the side. We got the sweetest waters in white and red, no slip from no find a corner. Walk on now. We party in the last thing, sing with me. Hey, I tell you this place exciting. Up in the best city fighting. Put down your worries and enjoy. Hey, you ready for the non-stop riding? Get out the best city lining. Make sure you put on the leg, come on.
Yeah, when the tourists back it up, everyone in the place ain't gonna walk it up. When them hear it tune, never couple up. No confusion, no till over vibes, yes. We give you your soul. Every session where we tell you we can nice and come.
Music always pumping, cause this is Barbados.
Welcome to the paradise.
Hey, I tell you this place exciting. Up in the best city lighting. Now put down your worries and enjoy. Hey, you ready for the non-stop whining? Get out the best city lighting. Make sure you put on the leg, come on. Somebody put the cool in the trunk. Hey, hey, it's half past one. We need to reach in the bed and get on it. Take your time, will you now come? I'm telling ya. Y'all go shut your bumper. We party till the last thing, and don't be heading straight to the jam because we are. Hey, I tell you this place exciting. Up in the best city fighting. Now put down your worries and enjoy. Put your hand in the air. One hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Yeah, man. Paradise. Hey, I tell you this place exciting. This is the place. Tell them Barbados is paradise. Hey, you ready for the non-stop riding? Take down the best city lighting. Why? Our country is paradise. Make some noise.
Yeah. Make some noise for TC. Hold on. I don't know when is the last time you've seen this lady on the Soca stage, but she is back. We are proud to bring to you Kimberly. Kimberly is here.
Everybody. Keep waiting for this day to liberate my body. I'm shaking my hands and my feet. I'm setting me free. Get ready for this festival. This is our carnival. Enjoy yourself in the mass. We are free and let free to run my way. shoe and all, but I made it. Oh, let freedom reign. Everybody say, oh yeah, free at will. Hey, freedom on my way. Jump around and be free. Hey, we dancing into the streets 'cause we are free. Free to run on my way. Jump around and be free. Hey, we dancing into the streets 'cause we are free. Bring it on. Thank you. I got one more song for you guys. As I was telling you, just ran off one stage, came to this stage, broke my heel. Everything that could go wrong went wrong tonight. Do you guys know which song I'm gonna do for you guys? Which one? How you know? Every time I get it down, you guys come around. They're like, see, girl, this is me. And all of you wanna get to me. They're like, take me down. Feel the rhythm, move your body. Say, yeah, and don't you rush it, don't you fight it. Hey, when I feel the beat, and on my feet, and I get on this love. Hey, when I feel the beat, I get in the mood, and before you know, Mariah, every time I get down, fellas come around. Hey, say it, girl, this is me. All of you wanna do for me. They're like, take me down. Hey, my hips, my hips, my hips, ooh, yeah. My hips, my hips, my hips. I wanna hear you sing it, come on. Yeah, that you win. What my boss say? I need to know that. Don't you rush it, don't you fight it. When I feel the beat, I get on my feet, and I get on the floor. When I feel the beat, I get in the mood, and before you know, my hips do well. Time getting out, fellas come around. They be like, hey, say it, girl, this is me. And all of them wanna dance with me. They be like,
the general to you. Welcome, Edwin, you